I get to work this morning. I walk into the building. The door is heavy. I push it open. The air inside feels cool. Too cool, maybe. But it's fine. I walk past the front desk. The security guy is there. He nods at me. I nod back. I don't stop. I keep walking. I hear voices. People are already talking. Some sound loud. Some sound tired. I walk toward the elevator. A few people are waiting. I stand behind them. The elevator doors open. We step inside. It's a bit crowded. No one talks. Everyone looks at their phone. I look at the numbers go up. The elevator stops. People walk out. I walk out too. I turn left, then right. I know this way. I see my desk. My bag is still there. My chair is still messy. I put my bag down. I sit for a second. Then I stand again. I hear someone say my name. I look up. It's a guy from another team. I've seen him before, but we never really talked. He smiles. I smile back. He says hi. I say hi too. His name is Alex. I remember that now. He stands next to my desk. He looks friendly, not too serious. He asks how my morning is. I say it's okay, just traffic. He laughs a little. He says traffic is always bad. I agree. We stand there for a moment. It feels normal, not awkward. I notice his jacket. It's dark blue, looks new. He has a coffee in his hand. It smells strong. I ask if the coffee is good. He says yes. He says it's from the new machine. I didn't know we had a new machine. He points toward the kitchen area. He says it's better than the old one. I say that's good news. Someone walks by us. They say good morning. We both say good morning back. Alex asks if I work on the same floor. I say yes, just over there. He says he just moved teams. This is his first week here. I say welcome. He says thank you. He looks around, like he's still learning the place. I tell him where the kitchen is. I tell him where the bathrooms are. I point with my hand. He listens. He nods. He says that helps a lot. I say no problem. He tells me about his old team. They sit on another floor. He liked it there. But this team is nice too. That's what he says. I listen. I nod. I don't interrupt. He talks slowly, not too fast. I notice his voice. It's calm, easy to hear. I like that. He asks what I do here. I tell him my role, just the simple version. He says that sounds interesting. I say it's okay. Some days are busy, some days are slow. He says that sounds like his job too. We both smile. I hear the printer behind us. It starts printing something loud. Alex looks back. He laughs a little. He says the printer is always angry. I laugh too. I didn't think about it before, but he's right. Someone calls Alex's name from far away. He looks over. He says he needs to go. There's a meeting. He says it was nice talking. I say the same. He walks away. I watch him go. I sit down at my desk. I turn on my computer. But I'm still thinking about that short talk. Not in a deep way, just normal. It was nice, that's all. I like meeting people like that. Short talk, easy talk. I take a sip of water. I look at my screen. Work is starting now. I look at my screen. It's still loading. I tap the desk with my fingers, just once, then again. My computer finally turns on. The screen is bright. I open my email. A lot of emails are there. I don't read them yet. I hear a chair move behind me. Someone sits down. It's my coworker, Lisa. She sits 2 desks away. She says good morning. I say good morning back. She sounds tired. I feel the same. She puts her bag under the desk. It hits the floor. She says, oops. I smile. She smiles too. She asks if I saw the rain. I say yes. It was bad. She says traffic was crazy. I say yes, very crazy. We don't talk much after that. We both look at our screens. I open one email. Just one. It's short. That's good. I reply. Also short. I hear footsteps. People are walking past my desk. Someone laughs. Someone coughs. I hear the coffee machine in the kitchen. It makes loud sounds. I think about coffee again. I didn't get any yet. I stand up. I grab my mug. I walk to the kitchen. It's not far. I see Alex again. He's at the coffee machine. He looks confused. The machine is blinking. He presses one button, then another. I ask if it's working. He says he's not sure. The machine makes a strange sound. Then it stops. We both look at it. Then we laugh. Another coworker comes in. She knows the machine. She presses one button. The coffee starts pouring. Alex looks impressed. I do too. He says thanks. She says no problem. I fill my mug. The coffee smells good. I add a little milk, not too much. Alex asks how long I've worked here. I tell him, a few years. He says time goes fast. I say, yes, very fast. Someone else comes in, then another. The kitchen gets busy. People talk, people wait. I step to the side. I don't want to block anyone. I take a sip of coffee. It's hot. I walk back to my desk, careful not to spill. I sit down. I take another sip. The coffee helps. I feel more awake. I look at my screen again. More emails. I scroll slowly, not fast. I see a meeting invite. It's for later today. I don't open it yet. I just note the time. I hear someone sneeze. Then someone says, "Bless you." I smile a little. Office sounds are funny. My phone vibrates. It's on silent. I look at it. A message from a friend. I don't reply yet. I put the phone face down. I hear Alex's voice again. He's talking to someone else now. He sounds relaxed, like he fits in already. I think that's nice. I take another sip of coffee. I look around. People are typing. People are walking. People are talking. It feels like a normal workday. Nothing special, nothing strange. I open another email, then another. Time moves without me noticing. That always happens. I lean back in my chair, just for a second. Then I sit up again. I keep working.